Okay, so in this independent practice, you're going to be working on these and solving them on your own. There's 6 problems. I'm going to help you with this first one, and that way you'll be in charge of the other 5 on your own. It says a little bunny ate 20 carrots and he could eat another 5 carrots a day. So let's set that up. Y equals, he already ate 20 carrots and he could eat 5 per day. That's little bunny. The big bunny, Y equals, he already had eaten 10 carrots and he could eat 10 more a day. So X is day and Y is the amount of carrots. So let's find out where they cross. Right here. So again, X is a day. So after 2 days, they will both have eaten 30 carrots. So let's find our answer here. And it's asking for the how many days will the 2 bunnies have eaten the same amount, which in this case it's a 2. And it says here, this one moved me to the correct answer, and that one is it. So you're gonna have 5 to work on your own for the next, whatever time that you have left. Click on turn in, and then you will get your grade either that same day or the following day.